Here's how to delete your Gmail account. Deleting your account is permanent. If you want to save your data, check the description below for instructions. Log into Gmail and go to the highlighted site. We've also included this link in the description below. Select Delete your account. Enter your password. Read through Google's explanation of what will be deleted. Confirm that you are responsible for any pending financial transactions associated with your Google account. Check that you want to delete the account and all its data, and hit Delete Account.